What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Dogecoin today because, as you can see, Dogecoin is refusing to go inside of this channel below this next channel that we're actually building, and it's actually a form of consolidation that we're seeing right now in Dogecoin. So you can definitely believe that Dogecoin is consolidating right now. But anyways, please hit the like button, subscribe. Really help the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And on top of all that, leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also check out the link in the description and make sure that you sign up with Robinhood, weebleandpublic.com, and also definitely check out all the other stuff I got in the description. If you make music, you could definitely check out the beat stars inside the first link in the description. And on top of that, if you actually want to sign up for Robinhood, weebleandpublic.com, remember, you get a free stock when you do that. So anyways, let's get going with this. As you can see, Dogecoin right here is not wanting to go inside of this channel right here. It does not want to look bearish, but it still is consolidating right now. We're inside of a little wedge right here. So hopefully Dogecoin does not break out of this consolidation inside of a negative trend line. Now, I do want to say right here with Dogecoin, with the technical analysis, we do have some good support here at 19 cents. Really doesn't want to go below that at all. But anyways, let's go over to the technical analysis. So as you can see, Dogecoin fell by 1.63% on Sunday, following a 0.38% decline on Saturday. Dogecoin ended the week down by 11.98% at 2051. So a mixed start to the day saw Dogecoin rise to an early morning intraday high of 2090. So before hitting the reverse, falling short of the first major resistance level of 2126, Dogecoin slid to a late morning intraday low of 1942. So as you can see here, Dogecoin fell through the first major support level at 2044, and as you can see right now, we're at 2046. So yeah, we do have some support here at 2044, but it doesn't really want to go below this right now because we got some good support here. That's where they're talking about major support. And as you can see in the second major support level at 24, like 2004, which is way down here, right before you actually hit 19 cents. That's where we had some more support. I meant support for the other one too, not resistance. Anyways, steering clear of the third party or the third major support level at 1922. Dogecoin revisited the 28 levels before falling back into the red. In spite of the late pullback, Dogecoin avoided the major support levels. So it did, in spite of all these different pullbacks, all these different drops in the crypto market, Dogecoin still does not want to go below the 1922 major support that we set for ourselves here. So that's actually a pretty big statement there from Dogecoin. It pretty much says we do not want to go anywhere below this. That means that the bulls may take over and we might just turn bullish. But anyways, at the time of writing, Dogecoin was up 0.39% at 2059. A mixed start to the day saw Dogecoin fall to an early morning low of 2033 before rising to a 2061. Now, obviously, we are at 2046. So, as you can see here, Dogecoin left a major support and resistance levels untested early on. So for the day ahead, what is coming for Dogecoin? First, let me open this up so you can all see this. Now, this is what they have cooking up for you all. So as you can see here, actually, let me go ahead and zoom in a little bit on this. So yeah, you can kind of see what they have cooking up here. You got your pivot level at 2030. You got your support here at 1953. And over here, you got the resistance at 21 cents. So big stuff going on here inside Dogecoin. But anyways, let's get back to what we have going on here with the technical analysis. So the next thing for the day ahead. Now, Dogecoin would need to avoid 2080 or 2028 pivot to bring the first major resistance level at 2113, just like I showed on that chart. Now, support from the broader market would be needed, however, for Dogecoin to break out from Sunday's high of 2090. But yeah, we definitely do need to past 2113. We cannot go below 2028. If we go below 2028, we are going to see 19 cents. That is going to happen if we go below 2028. But we do not need to go below 2028 at all. No one wants to see that. Anyways, 2113, that is what we need to pass in order to pass the 22-cent resistance. But anyways, let's keep going on here. So support from the broader market would be needed. Anyways, bearing an extended crypto rally, the first major resistance level would likely cap the upside. In the major event of a broad-based crypto rally, Dogecoin could test resistance at 22 cents, just like I showed right here. This is the 22 cents they're talking about that we need to test. So we need to test that. And then levels before any pullback, that's what we need to retest before any pullback. The second major resistance level at 2176. So a fall through 2028 pivot would bring the first major support level of 1965. That is a definitely terrible number. We don't want to see that. But anyways, bearing another extended sell-off, however, Dogecoin should avoid sub 19 levels. The second major support sits at 18 cents. So anyways, 18.80. We do not want to go below 19 cents is pretty much what they're saying. If we go below 19 cents, we may continue to go down for longer. So that is definitely not what we want to see. So the first major support at 1965, the pivot level at 2028. We got the first major resistance at 21.13, and then all this other stuff you don't even need to worry about because we just need to focus on passing 22 cents. So big stuff formulating there. Now, let's go over something else with Dogecoin. So, big stuff is also going on here. Shout out to FX Street for making this happen. Dogecoin network update to boost mainstream adoption, trigger next Doge rally. This is huge right here. This could be the thing that sends, like, the major catalyst that sends us past our resistance and past our Fibonacci retracement levels. So, Dogecoin can now be spent at 1,704 merchants, so nearly 3 times last year. Co-founder Millie Marcus argues that if all major miners and node operators update to version 1.14.4, fees can be lowered by default. Dogecoin ranks in top 10, mentioned the most on Twitter, and social dominance of the Dogecoin increases. So big stuff going on there. The Shiba Inu theme cryptocurrency utility is rising with news of AMC adopting it. Traders are now anticipating a reduction in transaction fees and a recovery in Doge. So Dogecoin update to reduce fees likely to trigger breakout in Dogecoin. That's really big right there. So Dogecoin Core has been regularly updated over the past month. In August, a new version of Dogecoin Core 1.14.4 was released to improve performance and lower recommended fees. The recommended update is not installed by all node operators. Its installation would enable future fee reductions in the Doge network. Billy Markets co-founder and Dogecoin tweeted about this recently. So yes, when everyone actually switches over to this node, we are going to see a huge drop inside of Dogecoin fees, which is going to happen gradually over time. This is actually pretty good news for us because this is pretty much saying we're 100% going to go down in fees and we're 100% going to go up in price. It's just a matter of time for everyone to switch over to this node. So anyways, once all major miners update to the latest version, transaction fee is expected to reduce 1000x for relay and 100x for mining. This is the first step towards lowering the recommended fee for Doge. Another network adoption is expected to follow, like I said, and with regular updates in its ecosystem, the altcoin's utility is on the rise. Nearly 600 merchants accepted Dogecoin payments in January 2020, and now the number has climbed to 1704, just like 400 years ago. Anyways, the altcoin's rising acceptance becomes further evidence from its rising social dominance. So over the past week, Dogecoin ranked the top 10 most mentioned cryptocurrencies on Twitter. A rise in social media mentions is followed by a rally in the altcoins. Check me out on Twitter. Definitely check out the links in the description because I'm on Twitter and on Instagram. I'm on all that. But anyways, a rise in social media mentions is followed by a rally in the altcoin. So analysts expect Dogecoin to recover. The altcoin is struggling after the price was rejected at key resistance levels, but you all know that we have this major catalyst forming with these nodes. All they got to do is update to those nodes and then we'll be good. So anyways, this guy over here, venture founder of cryptocurrency analysis and trader, is of the opinion that even the most resilient meme coin, Dogecoin, is losing its dominance. The analyst predicts that there is a wait ahead of the next perfect storm. Anyways, pretty much this guy's bearish, I think. But I don't really care about his outlook on Dogecoin. Anyways, let's move on to the next one. He predicts that it might hit 15 cents, or well, FX Street analysis have predicted it, that Dogecoin might hit 15 cents. But anyways, even if it hits 15 cents, that's a good buying opportunity. Now moving on to the next thing, what's going on with Dogecoin today. Everyone knows what's going on, but I'm just going to say this again. Since 2121, Dogecoin began rising, blah, 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 blah. What you really need to know right here is this. So Dogecoin at the press time saw moderate interest on Twitter. This has been inside everyone's mouth lately. Everyone's been talking about how Dogecoin has been being mentioned on Twitter almost more, like significantly more than every other crypto. Like Dogecoin has been being mentioned on Twitter a lot lately. But anyways, this is all you really need to know. Dogecoin has developed an inside bar pattern, which is a sign of coming period of consolidation. What did I say earlier? We are consolidating inside of Dogecoin, and it's only a matter of time. So this is big news here, and Doge is trading in a steep downtrend, but holding above a key support level of 19.7. If Doge loses support at this level, it could decline to 16-cent mark. But let's talk about something else. Meanwhile, a Dogecoin knockoff, Saitama Inu, which is no longer a Dogecoin knockoff, they took out the Inu of their name. There's just Saitama, saw 24-hour gains on Saturday. They're up 47%, 24 hours. Saitama. This is huge right here. Like, I'm going to make another Saitama video because Saitama is going crazy. It shot up huge. Saitama is just up crazy right now. So I'm definitely going to be going over Saitama. Now, the next thing that I would want to go over here is the Dogecoin wallets. and just a bunch of stuff going on with Robinhood. Robinhood is going crazy right now. So anyways, let's go over this right now. So as you can see right here, Officer Christine Brown, in an interview with Decrypt, hinted that the platform might let us users dabble in decentralized finance. So Robinhood might be adding DeFi to their platform. So Brown told Decrypt the move to let users move cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Dogecoin that they own off Robinhood app, leading to opening up broader crypto systems. Now, if they really add DeFi to Robinhood, this is going to be huge. It also enables users who want to consolidate on a single platform to come to Robinhood, get commission-free trading, and all other benefits that we have on the app. So this is huge right here. In an interview Decrypt this week, Brown pointed out that Robinhood would like to bring its customers the ultra aspects of cryptocurrency while talking about opening up DeFi exploration. This is a big statement right here. We would love to give more opportunities for our customers. Blah, 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 blah. This is huge right here. A bunch of big stuff is about to be going on with Robinhood. As you can see, Robinhood is set to test their cryptocurrency wallets with blockchain transfers next month, with a broader rollout due in early 2022. This is big stuff going on here inside of Dogecoin and with Robinhood. And remember, Dogecoin is huge on Robinhood, so that's really good for us. Now, Dogecoin staying fairly stagnant while everything else is kind of, growing out here in the crypto market. Some other stuff is a little stagnant too, but Dogecoin only up 0.30% inside the last 24 hours, and then 3.46%. Down 0.30% in the last 24 hours, and then down 3.46% in the last 7 days. But still, Dogecoin's still doing fairly well, so I'm not going to hate on Dogecoin. Let's just talk about these whales here for a second. Also, as you can see, this whale came in yesterday with $532,000, $1 million back inside of, August, and a bunch of $1 million orders, 38, 2 million, 6 million, bunch of money, like so much money I can't even comprehend how much money that is. That's big money. But anyways, we got more Dogecoin whales with more big money. So this Dogecoin whale came in today with a day trade. They're like, you know what, we're gonna put $26.8 million in today and see what we can make. So they went from 26.8 million to 26.9 million, made 100K in a few minutes. Actually, this is about an hour. So yeah, they made about 100K an hour here. That's pretty big money to make in 1 hour. And anyways, over here, another Dogecoin whale came in with $216,000 today, and yesterday $179,000, as long with $211,000. A bunch of purchases going in left and right here inside Dogecoin. These whales are doubling down. As you can see, all these whales are doubling down here in Dogecoin. This whale came in yesterday, 113K. Day before that, 714. So these Dogecoin whales are really doubling down. Now, Dogecoin and why it's the best investment in 2021. I wouldn't necessarily say the best, but it is definitely a fairly good investment for 2021. So Dogecoin scales relatively faster than Bitcoin. Big stuff going on there. Big names in the industry promote Dogecoin. Big stuff going on there. Dogecoin's developer team is back on the stage. Big stuff going on there. Dogecoin's inflationary nature is an advantage, unlike the US dollar. Big stuff going on there. Dogecoin is now a first tier cryptocurrency. Big stuff going on there. So yeah, this is all I got for you guys today. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor and none of this is financial advice. But yeah, definitely check out the links in the description for free stocks with Robinhood, Webull, and Public.com. And if you make music, definitely check out my BeatStar link inside of the description and check out those beats. Maybe you want to get some beats for your music, or maybe you want to get them for the background music for your YouTube videos. Either way, you could do either one of those. And definitely check out my Instagram, my Twitter. Follow me up on there, Spotify Music, Apple Music, all that good stuff. And I'll be back with another video. Peace.